Alright, I wanted to make a quick video of our underground rainwater reservoir in action. We're getting a nice rainstorm in Eastern Europe today, and looks like my 10,000 gallon underground reservoir is about 2 feet from filling up. So what you see is rain coming off the roof of our house, filling up our reservoir. And what we do with this water is we pump it right up there into that big tank, which gravity feeds down into our shower house, into our hot water heater. And if you've never had a rainwater shower, it does wonders for your hair and your body. I highly recommend you get a system like we have if you've never tried it. Also, off of my barbecue hut, and of course our shower house, there's a 55 gallon drum filling up with rainwater. My honeysuckle vines are blooming. Give you a quick look at my pimento pepper plant. My wife will pickle those. So there you have it. One of our roses, some flowers, our grapevines. Plenty of grapevines, the spa. So there you go. Mother Nature at its finest in action. Thanks for watching.